Hey guys, coming at you here with another review. Here we have the Corsair Vangaurd 96. So this is the 96 scale. It's not the 100% scale, but you still get all the buttons that you would normally get. So this is a wired keyboard. It is not battery powered. There is no switches. There is no battery in here whatsoever. It is the wired version. And so here we have the wire. Real quick, the cool thing about this that I've liked is that when you plug it in, you can route these wires any way you like. And they have these little notches here that pinch the wire so that they can stay put. So you can wire it out this side, out that side, right here, or right here. So that makes it quite nice. I myself just go straight out the back here. So I plug that in, just twist it around those notches, and it's nice and secured. And this is the keyboard that we see right here. So it makes it quite nice. I have gone in and customized all of these buttons for their own certain colors. So this is its natural state for me. I do always game on this. So like all of my gaming buttons here, I have lit up in green. You can see you got all these ones. This is where my hands sit, of course, and play my games and everything. And everything else had its own different effect. You can see they're all like, breathing, flashing, pulsing, and all these different colors. I have this in its own color state, in its own effect state. I have all these ones in their own state, and all of these ones here, and all these top ones. It's actually quite nice. The software that you get that you can use that comes on there, you just log into their website and you can use it. It allows you to do all of that. So I think that's quite nice. And then, of course, you have your multimedia thing here. It is 8K polling, and you can tell that when it is 8K, it shows that right there. So I currently have on 8K. It goes from 1 to the 8, which is quite nice. And then, of course, just the media controls here. I don't have it hooked up right now, but that's how you can do that. So without further ado, here is the sound test. So yeah, there you have it. Quite a nice keyboard. And it also, in the box, does actually come with this. This is the wrist rest. And it is magnetic. And so you can take it off there. And then if you were to lift this up, it magnets to there. Not a strong magnet, but magnets nonetheless, so it doesn't when you're moving keyboard up like this, up and down, it just stays put, which is, I like that quite nice. So like, of course, when you're gaming, you're here, and then you have the mouse over here. This wrist rest really makes it nice. And then, of course, it's nice and padded. I don't know if you can see the depth of the detail in there, but it does make it quite nice. So yeah, there you have it. That is the Corsair Vangaurd 96. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys snag one up for yourself. Awesome. Peace out.